In today's lesson at home, you're going to use some things that you may have at home. They're all going to work on your abdominal muscles, your obliques, those muscles in your core area, in the middle part of your body. And I have several exercises that I want to introduce you. Some of them I'm going to modify. Some of them will be a little bit easier for you. Some of them will be a little bit harder. You just decide which ones you're able to do and go from there. And make sure that you don't do too many. Make sure you're nice and balanced before you even start these. So let me show you the things that you can use for these exercises. They have these kind of things called, I think they're called sliders at gyms, and that's what they're used for. So you can get paper plates, regular paper plates. You can use cut up boxes. You can just tear the boxes up. I would get your parents' permission before you just tear any boxes up. Here I have a Chewy box. I have 2 dogs and a cat. So we get a lot of Chewy things in the mail. And what else do I have? I cut out, there's a jumbo ice cream because everybody knows I like ice cream and cake. And there's a taco kit box. They're a little bit slipperier. So if you're doing this on the floor, on a carpet, you can use any of these. If you have hardwood, you can use washcloths. They will slide nice and easy on a hardwood floor. I prefer doing it on carpet because a lot of times I get on my knees. If you do get on the floor, you can also use these on the floor too. Just make sure that if you get on your knees or something, you want to have like a little padding underneath, either a towel or a pillow or something soft. You know, you might want it when you're doing some of the activities. All right, so I'm going to move these over here so I can remember what I want to do to show you. And let's get started right away. All right, so the first one, these are called knee plank extensions because you're going to be on your knee and you're going to be like in a plank position and you're going to extend your arm. So here you go. I'll take my plates, my hands here, and I'm in a knee plank position, nice and balanced. And I'm just going to extend my arm. Reach as far as I can. Still keep my balance. Knee plank extensions. If I want to make it a little bit more challenging, I'm going to get down a little bit lower. Here we are. So I can feel my body weight on my arms. So now I'm really extending them. Keeping them really low. And I can really feel it more in my core, my abs, and my shoulder muscles, my deltoids. Of course, when you're extending your arm, you're using your triceps. All right, so the next one, to make it even a little bit harder, I'm going to do it like this, in a regular plank position, holding it, extending it. You'll see that my Chewy box works too. My Chewies. I like to use the same ones. So here we go. Here's the Chewy. And same exercise with the Chewy box. All right. The next one are plank circles, or you can call them scrubs. So here you go. You're on your knees to start. This will be an easier one. Feel your body weight though. You don't want to just be here on your knees. You really want to feel your body weight. And these are just circles. Do it on your right, do it on your left. Make sure you can feel your body weight. Otherwise, it's really not going to do any good. This is not doing anything. You want to feel your body weight. All right, want to make it a little bit harder? Yeah, get down again. Even harder. Again. Straight body. This might be easy for some of you. Do a combination of all of them. All right, this next one, we're going to use the sliders on our feet. And the next one I call Sudec sliders because I think these are my favorite. You can call them Spider-Mans if you want. It's your own name for them. Sudec sliders. When you do the sliders, you want to make sure that your feet, instead of your hands, or actually you can start it easier way would be just on your knees. And you're going to hold a balanced position And you're going to slide out. And slide back in. Slide out. Slide back in. That's just not working as good. Let me try the paper plates. They're a little bit slipperier. There we go. There we go. And you're extending your leg, bringing them up. All right, next one. Make sure you get your feet and the balls of your feet. And these are the regular Sudec sliders. Slide out, back in, out, and in. You're really stretching them out. Slides. These are kind of fun. All right. I'm sure most of you are aware of the mountain. You know how to do a mountain climber, where you switch your legs. All right, same thing. You'll get your sliders. Get your feet balanced. And there's your mountain climbers. After all that work, I want to take a little break, and we can do some lunges. Next one. You're in the lunge position. Hold it. Really stretch out those muscles. Get in a deep lunge. It really feels good. Stretch out all those muscles. And then lunge again. And hold it for a minute. Or a couple seconds, actually. Lunge holds. Well, and this one you're really going to like. I call it Speed Racer. So, your hands here. And you're on. Really fast. Speed Racer. And they are all exercises you can do using a paper plate, cardboard boxes, or wash rags. I didn't show you the wash rags, but they really do work. Hopefully you can see over here. This is the hardwood floor. And I can do any one of these. With that, let's do the arm circles. I'm going to get closer over here. Just there. And there you have it. Work that core. Have fun. See, you can put a little bit of music behind you when you're doing it. Always like music with it. So, hope you enjoyed this. I don't know where my dogs are. Hey, Nilani. Nilani, come here. You want a treat? You want a treat? Come on. Come here. Nilani, come on. Come on. Come here. Sit right here. Sit. Good girl. Where were you when I was exercising? You in the bathroom. All right, sit. Stay. All right, come in, Nilani. Good girl. That's a good girl. One more. Sit. Good girl. Say goodbye to the kids. They'll have to see your brother next time. Next video, we'll get Teddy Horton out here, right? Okay? Yes. That's a wrap.